Hello everyone, and welcome back again to another ACCA exam tip video in less than 60 seconds with myself, James. Today we're going to be going through a fundamental area as always, which is your exam approach. Now, what I've done for you as always is, if you go to the description below, the link is in there to the article on the ACCA's website with loads of great points on there that are going to help you out. The three main areas from my experience as a student and as a tutor teaching are, first of all, not enough past paper experience and doing these to time as if it was an actual exam situation, so no phone and no music on as well, really helps. The second one is not learning the full syllabus, okay? So it really shows up in answers that you're not going into enough detail. The final one is answer the question that is set, not the question you want to answer as well. If you found today's video helpful, feel free to subscribe as always. 147 now, but on that bombshell, I'll see you next time. Cheers.